Good day to all of you. Myself, Dr. Arvind Sharma, Associate Professor in Physics, Government Dogar College, Bikaner. Today's topic of lecture is perturbed harmonic oscillator. We know that the perturbation energy can depends upon position in different powers, and we can take such kind of examples for perturbed harmonic oscillator. Case 1, we are taking where perturbation energy term is proportional to x. Let the Hamiltonian of a one-dimensional harmonic oscillator be given as. We know that perturbed harmonic oscillator's Hamiltonian is given by first term is similar to unperturbed Hamiltonian minus h cross upon 2m del 2 upon del x2 plus half kx square for x dimension. Okay, and we are just taking the perturbed term as half bx, that is proportional to x. Hence our Hamiltonian becomes h0 plus h dash. First term unperturbed Hamiltonian and second term perturbed Hamiltonian, where h0 is unperturbed Hamiltonian and S dash is first order perturbation. S dash is first order perturbation such that h0 equal to minus h cross square upon 2m del 2 upon del x square plus half kx square, and h dash equal to half bx. Equation 2, that is unperturbed equation for h0, can be solved very easily by Schrodinger method. Okay, h0 equal to minus h cross square upon 2m del 2 upon del x2 plus half kx square. The unperturbed Schrodinger equation is h0 psi n barabar en psi. That means minus h cross square upon 2m del 2 psi n upon del x2 plus half kx square psi n equal to en psi n. Now this equation becomes del 2 psi n upon del x2 plus twice m upon h bar square en minus half kx square psi n equal to 0. This is simple harmonic oscillator equation. This is simple harmonic oscillator equation. Hence, energy values En equal to n plus half h cross omega. That means n, where n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. The result which we already understood in harmonic oscillator problem, where omega equal to under root k by m is angular frequency of oscillations. Equation 4 gives eigenvalues of unperturbed harmonic oscillator. Equation 4 gives eigenvalues of unperturbed harmonic oscillator. E0 equal to half h cross omega for n equal to 0. E1 equal to 3 by 2 h cross omega for n equal to 1, and similarly En equal to n plus half h cross omega. First order perturbation energy. For first order perturbation energy, we already deduced the relation E dash equal to bra m h dash k m. Just replace the value E dash equal to bra psi 0x h dash psi 0 8 psi 0x. Here psi 0x equal to n0 e raised to minus alpha square x square upon 2, where n0 equal to under root alpha upon under root x and alpha 4 equal to mk upon h cross square. But from equation 3, h dash equal to half bx. E dash equal to bra psi 0 s dash k psi 0 equal to bra psi 0 half bx k psi 0. Just replace the value of wave function and our integration have the form like that. And when we calculate it, half b n0 square is constant outside the integration, and this is the integration that we calculate to deduce the value. Okay, since we know that this integration is 0, integral e raised to minus x square e raised to minus x square x dx बराबर 0. We should remember that if function s dash in e dash is old like x cube x5, then e dash will be 0 definitely. Hence, first order energy e dash is 0. First order energy is 0. Second order perturbation energy, we know that E double dash equal to summation m dash bra n s dash 8m magnitude whole square upon em minus en. The prime on summation shows that m equal to n term is omitted. We have bra n s dash ket m equal to bra psi n s dash ket psi m equal to half b bra psi n x ket psi m. For the knowledge of eigenfunctions of harmonic oscillator, we have, by using the eigenfunctions of harmonic oscillator, bra psi n x ket psi m बराबर 1 upon alpha under root n plus 1 upon half 4m equal to n plus 1. 1 upon alpha under root n upon 2 raised to half 4m equal to n minus 1 or 0 otherwise. These are the values of this term. So using these, bra psi n x ket psi m equal to 1 upon alpha under root m upon 2 for m equal to n plus 1. If n equal to 0, m equal to 1, then n equal to 0, m equal to 1, then bra psi 0 s dash ket psi n बराबर 1 upon alpha under root half. So bra psi 0 h dash ket psi 1 equal to 1 upon 2 b 1 upon alpha under root 1 upon half equal to b upon 2 alpha under root 1 upon 2. That means magnitude of bra psi 0 s dash ket psi dash whole square equal to b square upon 8 alpha square. On substituting 8 in 7, we get E double dash for 0th state. E double dash for 0th state. E double dash 0 equal to b square upon 8 alpha square E1 minus E0 equal to, just replace the value of E1 and E0. Our result is b square upon 8 alpha square h cross omega. This is the term for E double dash 0. Now, total correction for ground state up to second order NRC. Because we want to calculate the total correction for ground state up to second order. Hence, E equal to E0 plus E dash 0 plus E double dash 0. This becomes E equal to half h cross omega plus 0 plus b square upon 8 alpha square h cross omega. But in general, we know that we are using nth term, not 0th term. So E equal to En plus En dash plus En double dash. We must know the relation for nth term. En double dash equal to summation m dash bra n s dash k term magnitude whole square E upon Em minus En equal to summation m dash magnitude of half b bra n h dash ket m magnitude whole square upon Em minus En, and the value of, if we substitute 8 in above expression, what is 8? It is this relation. By knowing this relation or these results, by knowing these results, our expression converts into 3 different values for conditions on M. So you just remember such kind of results because there is no time in your examination to calculate. So few terms are necessary to remember, and by replacing the values m equal to n plus 1, Em minus En equal to En plus 1 minus En equal to n plus 1 plus half h cross omega minus n plus half h cross omega. Em minus En बराबर h cross omega, and for m equal to n minus 1, En minus 1 minus En equal to n minus 1 plus half h cross omega minus n plus half h cross omega. Em minus En equal to minus h cross omega. Hence our term En dash becomes like this expression, En double dash equal to, for different values, different conditions on M. Hence total corrected energy for nth state En is En equal to n plus half h cross omega plus 0 plus En double dash. En equal to n plus half h cross omega plus En double dash. This is the relation for perturbation energy term for perturbation term proportional to x. Now, case second, in which we are taking the term when perturbation energy is proportional to x square. Let the Hamiltonian be given by h equal to p square upon 2m plus half kx square plus half bx square. H equal to p square upon 2m plus half kx square plus half bx square equal to h0 plus h dash, where unperturbed Hamiltonian h0 equal to p square upon 2m plus half kx square, and perturbation correction term h dash equal to half bx square. Now angular frequency, that is, we know that simply k by m, but this time this is k plus b, omega equal to under root k plus b upon m. And by rearranging the equation and by simplifying the equation, we know that just common the term under root k by m, and this is power half, and just expand it, 1 plus 1 by 2 b by k minus 1 upon 8 b square upon k square. It becomes omega 0, 1 plus 1 by 2 b by k minus 1 upon 8 b square upon k square plus, where omega 0 is under root k by angular frequency for free vibrations. So we shall get corrected energy En equal to n plus half h cross omega 0, 1 plus half b upon k minus 1 upon 3 b square upon k square plus so on, equal to n plus half h cross under root k by m bracket 1 plus b by 2k minus b square upon 8k square, as h dash equal to half bx square. So first order energy E dash equal to bra n s dash k tan equal to b by 2 bra n x square k tan. We have wave function psi n equal to n h n alpha x e raised to minus alpha square upon x square. We know that the wave function for harmonic oscillator where nn equal to under root alpha upon root pi 2 raised to n factorial. Using this, bra n x square k tan equal to integral psi n star x square psi n, and we just replace the values of psi n star and psi n. And after that, solving this integration, we are just putting the result, and by using the result, you have bra m x square k tan equal to 1 upon 2 alpha square 2n plus 1, and our result E n dash equal to half b bra n x square k tan equal to half b 1 upon 2 alpha square 2n plus 1 equal to b upon 4 alpha square 2n plus 1. Here alpha equal to mk upon h cross square raised to 1 by 4. E n dash equal to b upon 4 under root h cross square upon mk 2n plus 1. Hence En equal to En0 plus En dash, and just replacing the values of En dash and En0 and simplifying the term, we can easily get this last term n plus half h cross under root k by m 1 plus 2 1 plus b by 2k. By adding the value of En dash, we get correction up to second order. Up to second order, our result becomes En equal to n plus half h cross square under root k by m 1 plus b by 2k minus 1 upon 8 b square upon k square. Hence, we see how the results change when the perturbation term depends upon the different powers of x. So this is the finish of this article, and next articles we go for different examples which are useful for you. Okay, thanks to all of you.